Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 11th, 2023. And I've told you we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested in. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve, half of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one is the Sudoku with 1 star. Well, yeah. Number 6735. 6735. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 30 printed digits. 30 should be easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star has usually 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. I think this one I need to be faster than 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. With the 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. This one, 40 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the third row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Yeah, I need to write. How about the 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And we have all the 3s here, and all the 3s are used. I can see this is the one, number 3. Okay, how about the 9 in this column? 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, I cannot continue with the 9. Need to have more information, insufficient information right now. Okay. How about 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Well. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in the last row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 8, 7. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 7. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with the 8. No, not true. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, so only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. On there, we see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. On there, you see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about the 9s? Do we have all the 9s? No, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. I need a 9 here. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6. I'm thinking. Yeah. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Okay, 1, 5, 7. 7. 1, 6, and 7. Yes, 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left. Oh no, 1 number left in this big square for number the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Here also 2 missing numbers. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Alright, here one box left in this third column for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then we had 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Alright. Yeah. Need a 2 here, need a 4 here, and I need a 5 here. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 5 and need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Well, sleepy. I think I need to fill some numbers. This column have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. And it's a pair, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Sorry, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 9. Alright. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the third column. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Do we have all the 1s? Yes, and all the 1s are used. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Yes. And now 5 and we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be in, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place, the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the middle row, the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 14 minutes already passed. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. Almost finished, almost finished. 4 and 5. We have a 5 now in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright, 16 minutes already passed. 1 number left in this big square for number 4. 1 number left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So finish in 16 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, but I need to be faster than 40 minutes. So, well, definitely a 2 stars, because I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm not pleased with the time, but I like this one, so we'll do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.